In front of me is NOKIA 2.3, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you should locate System and click on Date and Time. And as you can see, you can either use automatic date and time, and it can be network provided or GPS provided time. Just mark the one that you would like to apply and then everything will be set up automatically, or you can switch off automatic setup, and now you can set date and time manually by yourself. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can do exactly the same thing with your time zone. Just click on automatic time zone to switch it off, and now you can select it from the following list. So here you've got the region list. So pick the region that you would like to apply and then pick time zone if there is more than one. And also you can use local default if you want to, or you can decide if you would like to have 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock. And this is it. This is how you can change the date and time in your NOKIA 2.3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.